Okay, this is JB here with today's futures day trading video review for Tuesday, October 24th, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. You know, today we said 65 3/4 would be the line of the sand. We talked about it in the room, this setup that we entered here at 69. Now, we talked about how we didn't want to trade it until it popped a little bit and then set up accordingly, which is called an EP vortex. You can see this down pink arrow right here. That's what we call a vortex. And we teach this in the course. In the room, though, you'll hear in the coming video, we sold it right here on the left chart at this 69. Very, very significant point to be getting short. You see how the numbers are getting weaker? That's very, very key. And we had a downside target of a minimum to 65. We got a little flush lower, went down a little lower into what we call termination. And we talked about that in the room. I didn't edit the entire video, but I cut out a piece of it to show the entry and the talk about the talk. We can't do the room forever, and we can't, cut videos up forever. It takes a lot of time. But we wanted to maybe do a week or two of it just to kind of show people. Anyway, thank you for your interest. The next segment is that excerpt from the live trading room to follow right here. One little bugger, eh? uh, Not really pushing up much out of that focus chart. No trade chart C wave. Not yet. It's trying to push down. It's not really pushing down either on the trade chart. So I think it might get a C wave here up. She can go quite a ways, before we're going to get an exhaust on that trade chart, unless it's some kind of an EP vortex. And then we're going to be fading back into the daily energy. I mean, if you're leaning on 9, you want to be in at 8 or better, but I just don't like it. They can move it around here a lot. I like the exhaust breakage with the wall. Dot's gotten a little strong, but the trade chart hasn't. I don't know. The trade chart, I don't like it. So there's a lot of strong energy supposedly now. I'm going to push on up in this refresh. Now, if that doesn't work, yeah, this could flush back down to 65, depending upon what 66 does. But that's enough energy to pop this thing. So, yeah, so there's the popping. So we might get an EP vortex. Let's see. Got a strong dot, so could be a retest the high with a close that's 9, be an EP vortex to fade back with in about 260 ticks. Be an aggressive entry. Now we're putting in a new high here. I'm going to try it anyway, so I'm in. Let's see what happens. I'll step aside if I don't get a nice follow through. Okay, that's a good follow through. Now this has got a break here. So I was able to get in half decent, so I can get myself a little something there. But this 69 needs to hold now. You can see we've got weakness on the GPS, but the trade chart's just been an EP vortex, so there's still a lot of energy on the trade chart. We really do need the hold here. Target's 65. So definitely, if you haven't taken something, you gotta do something. Or at least adjust your stop to maybe half the risk or something. We need to get this party started, right? Gonna refrain from the song today. Maybe we'll play it later if it gets to 65. Okay, it's looking a little better, isn't it? Now we got to lose that focus chart C wave up, which means we got to break 6 3/4 and then down to 5 6. A lot of energy on the trade chart anyway. That can help. Focus chart's lost its push up. That's what it says. So daily says it's got energy sitting there at 65 3/4, I guess it is. So we'll see. We're holding right there, eh? I don't know. I get a feeling we're gonna tank a little bit here today, but I could be wrong. Well, there's your fulfillment of 5. Okay, so looks like it's doing a little bit of a tank here. Gotta like that. Gotta like that. Textbook, somebody said. Textbook. Gotta love that. When they say textbook, I love that. Bread and butter. Anyway, I'm good. I got what I needed. Now I'll just see if I can get more. I don't really give a shit, I'm gonna play my song. I don't care.